This video will explain how to convert to and from the metric system. To your right is an English to metric equivalency chart. So we'll use those when solving the following problems. So the first one is to convert 8 inches to centimeters. So we know that we have 8 inches. So we'll find inches to centimeters in our chart, and we do have a conversion for that. So we'll go ahead and write it out. We have 8 inches over 1. So we know that the next fraction needs to have inches on the bottom. And for every 1 inch, it tells us that there is 2.54 centimeters. So the inches cancel out, and therefore we're left with centimeters, which is what the problem is asking for. So we know that's as far as we go in our conversion, and now we just multiply it out. So now we'll have 8 times 2.54 over 1 times 1. So 8.54 is equal to 20.32 over 1 centimeters. So now we know that 8 inches is equal to 20.32 centimeters. The next one is to convert 125 miles to kilometers. So let's see if we have a miles to kilometers, and we do on the bottom. So we know that 125 miles all over 1. Now the next problem has to have miles in the bottom. And we know that per every 1 mile, there is 1.6 kilometers. So the miles cancel out. We went from miles to kilometers, so we know that's the end of the conversion. So 125 times 1.6 is going to equal 200 over 1 km. So now we know that 125 miles is equal to 200 kilometers. The following one is convert 26,800 millimeters to inches. So we'll underline the number that we know we need. So 26,800. So let's find millimeters to inches on this conversion chart. And unfortunately, we don't have a value for that, but we do have inches to centimeters. So we can convert millimeters to centimeters and then convert centimeters to inches. So we know when we're going from centimeters to millimeters, we're going to move the decimal place over by 1. So right now, we know that it goes over 1 more. So that will be, millimeters will be converted into 2680 centimeters. So now we have 2,680 centimeters. So 2680 over 1 multiplied by, we're going to have centimeters on the bottom, and we know that per every centimeter, or per every inch, 1 inch, there is 2.54 centimeters. So the centimeters cancel out. We have it to inches, so we know that's the end of our conversion. So now we'll have 2,680 times 1 will just be 2,680, and 1 times 2.54 will be 2.54. So now we can divide 2,680 by 2.54, and we will get 1,055 centimeters. So again, we know that 26,800 millimeters equals 1,055 centimeters.